Okay, here we are at Blue Boy Herb Company. We're in the good company of Dwi Buj Das and Nanda Sutta Das. We're in New Taliban community. It's October 25th. And major breakthrough. The breakthrough is that using this wonderful machine that Dwi Buj purchased about a year or two ago.
Oh, wow. Actually purchased it.
Actually, his wife purchased it. We're learning the process of taking seeds from plants, for example, like okra or loofah sponge, like you see right here. And we're learning how to press oil from this. Of course, Srila Prabhupada gave the instruction in 1975 when he visited on August 1st that we should do everything ourselves, especially pressing oil from castor bean in order to make oil for lighting or for medicinal purposes. This particular oil that Dwi Buj is holding right here is from okra, and it makes a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful seed. And it makes a wonderful oil for all kinds of purposes. Can you tell us a little bit about what it does?
I'm sorry?
Can you tell us what it does, actually?
The okra seed oil, it's like African olive oil. It's very, very useful for cooking and also as a carrier oil for mixing essential oils for massage. So many healing purposes, but it's very nutritious. All the properties of okra. It's a nice emollient, diuretic.
Okay, thank you. And thanks to Nanda Sutta's expertise as a engineer and technician, he figured out how to use this machine properly. So this is a major breakthrough for us here in New Taliban. And here's an okra plant, just so you know what we're looking at here.
Hibiscus esculentus.
Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna. Okay, now let me just get a couple.